What is up, Skid Squad? It's the best YouTuber on earth. SKIDLEYBOMB. Oh, that's what that was. It's just a squirrel, damn it, I thought I would catch like a fucking bear on camera. A fucking bear. Gonna go survival mode, bitch. No more family-friendly, PG, clean motherfucker, SKIDLEYBOMB. I'm a fucking lad now. Bitch. So, fucking squirrel can go eat my ass. Squirrel. Dang. Okay, that's my weapon. Oh, and there was a leaf like, what's up, bitches? Just kill everybody with the leaf. How embarrassing would that be? Fucking shit. It's a spider. I'm scared of spiders. So don't spam me with spiders. You dumb shit. You dumb shit. I want to go survival mode. Fuck. I think the squirrel went up there. Ooh, thumbnail. You haven't been able to see my face this whole video. Oh yeah, I got a haircut since last time. Last time was like 6 years ago. I don't record. I need to record more often. You frickin' fricks. Oh my god, it's a raspberry. Oh my jeez, oh my god. I'm gonna give this to a squirrel. Yeah, I'm gonna drop it on the ground. Now I'm gonna go sneaker mode. I can see it, but I don't think you guys can see it. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna have to pee. Dino leaf. That's what I call these, dinosaur leaves. Because I feel like these are the leaves that go around back in the good old dinosaur times. I remember my little buddy Stevie. Little Stevie, he was a dino. Tried to kill me like 6 or 7 times. Oh yeah, here is the entrance to our 5th grade place. Me and Vin did. Me and Vin went here once. Fuck. Hell, thorns. Thorns can eat my dick. Eat my dick. Dick. Ow. Okay, I don't like this. I'm sorry, Mr. Thorns. No, not good thorns. Be good thorns. And I will adore you even more than I already do. I adore you. Oh, thorns. You big thorns. Just don't brutally murder me. I've been trying to get out of thorns for like 2 minutes straight. Okay, let's go. And I am into the 5th grader end up spot. Me and Vin made up this place. It's pretty dope. We want to get furniture in here. We don't even live here. I'm in Chester right now for a baseball game. But I don't live in Chester. So if you go to Chester, don't try and find me. Cause honest to God, I do not live there. There was a little like doll here last time. Me and Vin, I think, broke it. Or is it at that one over there? Snake. There's one over here too. That might be a rad because that's pretty big. Survival 101 with another hole. Lots of holes here. Fuck off. I'm sorry. The fuck are those noises? There's like footsteps that aren't mine. Even we're smashing glass bottles when we were here. This place is beautiful though. Honestly, I recommend it. Go to the Chester baseball fields. This place is like, beautiful, especially for Chester. I'll give you a hint. The place where I live is rivals with Chester in like everything. Oh God, my stomach. I even have a video called We Beat Chester. Because we did, because we were the Turnbulls, the best baseball team of all time. Sorry. Got something on my arm. It was nothing. I guess I'm just retarded. Donald is a very normal guy. If you guys spot anything, say in the comments and what time and what the thing is. There really no snakes. Now I'm gonna encounter a fucking anaconda after I say that. So, yeah, there's probably gonna be like fucking 50 snakes now. Like, legit, there's gonna be like 2 million snakes attacking me now that I said that. So, we're back to here. I don't wanna get attacked by snakes. Holy crap. That's a lot of wood. That piece of wood went flying. You might not have seen it, but you know, there's a whole fucking like thing here. I'm scared. Yeet, yeet. The thorns are over here. Why didn't I just go that way? I'm a retard. Why did I have to go that way? Probably because that's not even made thing. I just like scratch my knucks. Scratch my knucks on the fucking thorns. You know, life really sucks right now. Oh, there's a memorial right there. For the children of Chester who can go suck a dick. Oh, living kids of Chester. There's a lot of fucking just fields. The place is really beautiful. Like, I'm not joking. It's a beautiful place. I love it. But so that's it for today's video. Drop a like, subscribe, comment, share. I just want like a bunch of comments. I love comments of your honest opinion on my videos. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And I'm gonna skedaddle.